Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. During Chinese New Year, we have a lot of fish, a lot of meat, but that also creates some problem. We probably will be eating too much meat. So, one of my friend has requested Appa to make a little bit of more not exactly vegetarian, but veggie dishes. Yeah, not vegetarian because I did put some garlic and ginger. Of course, you can remove the garlic and ginger in this particular case. So vegetable dish, and it is something called zhuksang, but this dish is really going to help to clear our butt. Yeah, to clear our butt. It's going to be very refreshing. So this thing is called zhuksang. I think it's called bamboo fungus. Yeah, this is called bamboo fungus. Not easy to find, but I managed to find it on Lazada online. So I will put the link in the description box. You can just buy from there. If not, very difficult to find from the shop. Yeah, I actually went to 3 or 4 Chinese herbal shop before I managed to find this. And it is not really very cheap from the herbal shop. From here is Yiliang. I got it for about 20 ringgit. Yiliang, it's not a lot. You don't really feel it. 20 ringgit. Sorry, Yiliang is actually 40 ringgit. This is half of it. Yeah. So I don't know what is liang in English. Probably some of you can comment in the comment section. Now, so this is really a steamed dish. Yeah, a steamed dish. We are going to make into a roll, a vegetable roll like this. To use the bamboo fungus to roll different kinds of veggie. Steam it, and then we will make a sauce and pour over it, so it will be very, very refreshing. And this bamboo fungus, if you have eaten before, it is actually slightly crispy, quite nice. Yeah, the mouthfeel is very nice. So let's look besides the bamboo fungus. Let's see what else do we need. Basically, you can use your own creativity. What I'm going to put here is celery. Everything here you will have to cut it into thin slices. Celery, shiitake mushroom, soak, bamboo shoot. If you are using, this is the ready packed bamboo shoots. If you are using the raw bamboo shoot, then you probably have to steam it for about 10 minutes before use. Yeah, this one in the packet, I can use it straight away. This is wood ear, also rehydrated. This is carrot slice, also a julienne. Yeah, julienne. And I have some sweet pea. More for garnishing. Now, the thing about sweet pea is that you need to peel off the middle stem. Yeah, this is the spine, the middle spine. Take it out. If not, you can be very chewy. Yeah. So this is to make the roll, the vegetable roll, the bamboo fungus roll. Then we will make the sauce. So I have here some mushroom water, or you can use chicken stock. A bit of ginger and chopped garlic. A bit of, this is 1 tablespoon of olive vegetable. Olive vegetable. 橄榄菜. It normally comes in a small bottle. Of course, if you really can't find this, no problem. Just go ahead with the chicken stock and put a bit of oyster sauce will do, yeah? So I need to actually tell you how to operate the bamboo fungus first. Come, let me show you. Prepare a scissor. Prepare some water at the side. So this is the bamboo fungus. Put it inside the water. It will immediately soften very fast in a couple of seconds. Once it is softened, not too long, take it out. Right? Then you use the scissor to remove the head and to remove the tail. Well, actually, it's quite waste. The tail can be eaten also if you steam it together, yeah? Right? So it is now like a cone, a cylinder. So use a scissor to very carefully cut the cylinder open. In like this. Right? It becomes a sheet. So after it becomes a sheet, you can actually start putting your ingredient here or towards the head or the tail. The bamboo shoot, the wood ear, the shiitake mushroom, carrots, celery. Right? Then roll it up like this, and it's done. Put it onto the plate. Very simple. What say? I paid 20 ringgit. I only can make 5 from the herbal shop. I hope the one from the internet is a lot cheaper. Okay, anyway, we will put in the sweet pea in the middle. Right? So I have some excess remaining veggie, which I will fry them together. I won't waste it, don't worry. It looks pretty nice, isn't it? And before we steam, I'm going to put a little bit of salt. There's a little bit of salt on top. Alright, let's put it into the steamer. Alright, get ready your steamer. Make sure the water is boiling. Once the hot steam has been released, be very careful with the hot steam, yeah? Put in this. And cover this, tune down to medium low and let it slowly steam for about 10 minutes. Then it should be ready by 10. While waiting, we don't have to waste our time. We can make the sauce. About 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Put in the garlic and ginger. We're going to saute this garlic and ginger for about a minute before we continue. We will come back shortly. So this is after about 1 minute. Now it's very fragrant. You can put in the olive vegetable. 橄榄菜, yeah? We normally eat this together with white porridge. It is very salty. Very fragrant also. The stock, now this is the mushroom water. Like I mentioned, you can also use chicken stock. This is the secret why is it Appa seldom don't really use MSG or chicken powder, because I always use stock. You can search for my video on how to make different kind of stock, yeah? Right? So I'm going to give it a little bit of sugar. I don't have to put salt anymore. It's already very salty. Right? Then we are going to make the sauce thicken up. I'm going to off the fire. This is some mustard solution. Yep, immediately it is going to be thickened up. You can choose not to do the starch solution also, no problem. It's a little bit too thick than I expected. I'll probably dilute it a little bit with some hot water. But basically it's done, yeah? Right, this is right after 10 minutes. Simmering under medium-low heat. Don't use too big of fire. Okay, everything inside is definitely fully cooked right now. Even the sweet bean has changed color, if you notice. So wait until the steam has released. You can actually very carefully, slowly take it out. Right, and we have the sauce we made just now. Let me adjust the angle for you. Right, it is still steaming hot. So what you can do here is we're going to put the sauce at the side. This is when you actually put a cornstarch solution, the thickened sauce. If you don't put the thickened sauce, meaning if you don't put cornstarch and your gravy is very watery, you can even pour over the bamboo fungus, if you like. So when you eat it, you will actually eat it together with the sauce. Alright. Okay, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.